Receive $2 for every email you read. By going through just 10 emails, you could pocket over $20. This opportunity has caught up the attention of individuals from various corners of the globe, including Russia, Canada, Kenya, Brazil, and beyond. Users are consistently cashing out amounts surpassing $2, $6, and even $10 every single minute by merely opening emails. To find out, I spent almost a week looking for as much as I can. Now, let's dive into and see which platform is the best. The first platform we are diving into allows you to earn money by simply reading emails. I'll unveil the site's name shortly, but first, let me walk you through how it works. This site pays you for engaging with emails, and it's easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Sign up. Create your free account. 2. Read emails. Open and pursue the emails sent to you. I will show you exactly how this is done with a real example shortly. 3. Get paid. Enjoy earning real cash daily, which you can withdraw via PayPal, Amazon gifts, Google Play gifts, or variety of other options. To begin, you will need 2 things. A PayPal account. I will offer a workaround if PayPal isn't available in your country. And an email account. Gmail is preferred, but Yahoo works too. Introducing pay-to-read-email.com, a global platform that pays you for reading emails. Upon signing up, you are greeted with a $3 bonus, further incentivizing your journey. The sign-up process is detailed, requiring your basic information and agreement to their terms. Once inside, you're presented with various ways to earn, including surveys and offers. But our focus is on reading emails for cash. Your dashboard is user-friendly, showing your earnings, including the initial $3 bonus. You can earn by engaging with emails sent directly to your chosen email account. For instance, after waiting for a few hours, I received my first email from pay-to-read-email.com. By confirming I've read the email and spending about 30 seconds on the associated email, I earned 30 cents. The process is repeated with each new email, accumulating more earnings. This method is compatible with both smartphones and computers, making it accessible regardless of your preferred device. The payout threshold is $15, which is easily reachable, especially with the $3 sign-up bonus. Redeeming your points is straightforward, with payment processed within 3 business days. Whether you choose PayPal, Amazon, Google Play, or other gift cards, the platform offers a versatility payout system. Stay tuned for more tips on earning online, and let me know your preferred device in the comment below. The second platform we are featuring is called UIC.com, also recognized as Voltic, where earning by reading emails is made straightforward, as highlighted on their site. What sets UIC apart is the incredibly low payout threshold of just 20 cents, allowing for quick and easy withdrawals. Curious about their reliability, UIC proudly displays payment proofs on their website, showcasing users worldwide successfully withdrawing funds, providing its global availability and efficacy. For those interested in personalized content, we encourage sharing your country in the comments below, enabling us to tailor future videos especially for your region. Getting started on UIC is a breeze. Sign up. Click the register button to begin. Fill in the necessary details such as username, email, and a strong password. Agree to the terms of service and privacy notice, then hit the register. Account activation. Check your email for an active link from UIC. Clicking this link activates your account, confirmed by an Operation Successful message. You can then turn to the home page and log in. It's here that you will receive a crucial email from UIC with instructions on how to ensure you receive payments for reading email ads. Email setup. Add UIC's email to your Gmail contact to prevent missing out on paid emails. This involves creating a filter to start the email and prevent it from being marked as spam, ensuring it lands directly in your primary inbox. Beginning earning. After setting up your email, you will start receiving emails from UIC. Open these emails and click on the promotional links contained within. A new website will open up, and you must stay on this page until a loading indicator reaches 100%, which usually takes about 20 to 30 seconds. Following this, the promoted funds will be created on your UIC account. Dive into the world of Swagbucks, where earning money isn't just easy, it's downright entertaining. Picture this: you're lounging on your sofa, sipping on your favorite drinks, and bam, you're stacking a cash by scrolling through emails. It sounds like a dream. Well, Swagbucks turns it into a reality. This platform is like a treasure chest for anyone itching to make some moolah. From reading emails, voicing your opinions in surveys and polls, every click adds a little more to your virtual piggy bank. And let's not forget SB Point, Swagbucks' very own cards. For call, add cash, or splurge on a shopping spree at select online stores. Now, if someone who loves discovering new apps or has a drawer full old receipts, you are in for a treat. Swagbucks appears for adventurous spirit, and you're holding tennis by rewarding you for ad testing and receipt submission. Just scan, upload, and watch your SB points grow. Think about the payout. Here is a deal. Once you hit 500 SB, equivalent to $5, you can cash out. But if you're in it, in a thrill of shopping, you might want to snag some gift cards for even less. Oh, let's not forget the cherry on top, a $5 sign-up bonus. Just for joining the Swagbucks farm. If your daily online routine needs a dash of excitement and a sprinkle of earnings, Swagbucks is your go-to. But hold up, there is a catch. Swagbucks is like an exclusive club for adult residents of the United States and Canada. So if you're from these parts of the world, congratulations, you've hit the jackpot. Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars are a company that knows a thing or two about online rewards. These siblings rivalry put them at the top of our verified list money makers. Next on our list is MyPoint. MyPoint uses a complete task system to track the money you earn on the website. Like the other websites on our verified list, these tasks include reading emails, watching videos, and online shopping. MyPoints also offers rewards for referring friends to their platform via a referral link. If your friend signs up and use the site, you will receive a referral bonus. However, check the conditions that you must meet and pass on the information to your friend. After completing tasks in MyPoints, you can convert those points to cash. Some of the unique rewards from this legit site include travel miles for United Airlines, free gift cards to around 70 different retailers, and a Visa gift card. You can also choose standard payment to your PayPal account. Another special feature of MyPoints is that the minimum age required to work is only 13 years old, while most sites require you to be 18 years old. Next, Cash for Offers. After you've exhausted with previous options, Cash for Offers serves as another website that provides cash for reading emails. However, the minimum withdrawal amount is $35. We recommend passing on this one, and the company only sends you 1 to 2 emails per day at 0.01 to 0.001 per email. At that rate, the best case scenario involves reading emails for 5 years before withdrawing real money. Although Cash Offers remains technically legit, we recommend passing on this one. So, if you're interested in discovering more about this video, then be sure to comment down below. Let me know if you've ever used any of these platforms to get money, or if not, then you can use some of these platforms and let me know how it goes. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more videos helping you make money online and more. See you in the next video. Take care.